constitution of this land. Sacrifice to bring a king to trial. It's not the king asking for his subjects. That's all. Very illegal. It's not the king asking for his subjects. The king, sir, is answerable only to God. And by God, when he dies, he will not. We have gone too far in this. This commission has no lawful authority. It lies with the Parliament, sir. Parliament is the law. If the charges against this king, these are what terrible resolution may he not bring down on my head. What are we on? The king is